If you ever wanted to start selling online, but you didn't know what the first step was, this is the least intimidating way I've seen to begin. Hey guys, my name is Dion and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we'll be checking out Genstore and how this will make your life easier if you want to start selling online. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm on the official website of Genstore right now. So please make sure that you go to genstore.ai. Something that I recently have noticed is that they have been introducing a lot of new updates. So they constantly keep up to game with the latest updates. And if I go through the dashboard, I can see that it is designed for someone that is a complete beginner. It's not confusing me. It's very simple. As you can see, you have your store, the dropshipping, marketing, your sales channels, and your analytics. And this is where you can go through the online store, products, marketing, and the creative side of things. So it's really easy to understand. It doesn't overwhelm you. It's really great if you're a beginner starting out. Okay guys, and Genstore will create a ready-to-use foundation store for you. So you don't have to go and search for the tools or the suppliers because you can find them right here on Genstore. And this is great if you're a beginner because it will not overwhelm you. So it's easy to get into it. Hey guys, so I'm going to guide you through their website now and show you some of their features that they have available so you can build a whole store for yourself right here by just using this AI tool, and you can do it literally within minutes, where it will be ready from the start process, from typing in your prompts and getting the store ready all the way to the end, from dealing with payments and all of that. So if you're a beginner, this is perfect. As you can see right here, we can do an online store, we can do design homepage, we can change the theme. We also have products right here for drop shipping, print on demand, physical products. So they have a lot of different stuff. If you see, I click on the marketing, you can see they have different types of marketing. So it's not just as narrow as marketing. It has a whole spectrum of different elements or niches in the marketing space. You guys, as you can see, if I scroll down here a bit, they also have recommended by your AI team. They have templates ready for you to use. So if you want to do a homepage inspired by a Spanish person like here, you can use that. It's already been designed by an agent. You can just go through all of this to make your life so much easier. They also have a store gallery, so you can just literally go through here. If you like some of the formats that the stores have, you can just click on it and you can use that for yourself, and then literally just swap and change your branding and your images and you will be set to go. So as you can see, they have that. They have a store as well where you can focus on building your store. So blog posts, pages, menus, preferences, all of that. They also have drop shipping where you can find products to sell on your drop shipping stores. Have a lot of different trending products. You can search them out and even apply filters to find specific products. You have the marketing as well. You'll have all of that ready to go right here in Genstore. Have your sales channel where you can even set it up with an AI agent. So you will have your analytics. Let me tell you some more things about why Genstore is actually so useful for beginners. You will also have a support agent that is an insight assistant built to help the merchants. It's literally inside of your dashboard and it's built to help you. And so that's great if you're a beginner and you're starting to figure out how this works. You have that AI assistant that is built in your dashboard and it will help you. The great thing about this assistant is that you can ask it beginner questions like, where do I start? Or what is the most important on my website? It will give you answers and it will only talk to the store owner directly. Good thing about this is that you will be guided throughout the whole process internally by this AI assistant. So there's no need to go and learn everything up front. No panic, no stress, because you can go with the flow and learn as you go along with your AI assistant. That is why AI is actually so great and why you should use Genstore.ai. If you want to start selling online and have an internal AI assistant guiding you, go check out Genstore.ai and join their Discord for extra credits. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until the next one, cheers.